When I was in England, I didn't know the language. I learned over there. And they asked, what is your name? And I'm like...
Tikman natin yung prutas. So yan guys, yung plums.
Go!
Go.
Mommy.
Hinintay namin yung mama ni Bianca guys. Kukunin kami dito. Siya na lang mag-isa ngayon sa bahay nila. Tsaka yung mga bata. Kasi nga yung hubby nga bumalik na sa England. Dalaw-dalaw na lang kami doon sa kanila guys. Kasi nga dito sa bahay is, alam nyo na mga binan ko is ayaw nila ng ingay. Kaya kami na lang pupunta doon sa bahay nila. Para happy naman yung mga bata, diba? Kasi sobrang hirap dito sa Romania guys. Walang mga bata, walang mga kalaro sila si Katyusha. Paulan na naman. Dagom. So, okay na rin to para hindi na ako magdilig sa aking mga halaman. Alam nyo na, daming bunga yung mga gulay natin sa garden, guys. Hintayin muna natin si Habi. Excited yung dalawa. At saka, syempre, sama din si Habi. Oy, kung saan yung asawa, andun din si Habibi. Hindi mawala yan si Habibi. Kami lang sana ang pumunta dun, guys. Kaso sabi ko, sama ka ba nila? Hawa, Kati, hawa. Excited eh, idi eh. Ganda ng bulaklak guys, oh. Walang amoy. Ganda ng mga bulaklak ni mama. Parang sunflower. Nakamalaki na rin yung grapes guys. Ganito nakalaki yung grapes. Grapes! 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 Yan, oh. Diba meron tayo nito sa Pilipinas? Smell.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hi, my chapter, no. My son?
Nag-change na yung kulay ni Katyusha, yung buhok.
Looks like a black and like a brown.
Brown, no? Brown.
Like a brown and black. Your hair's like a brown.
No, black. Black.
My hair's like brown.
You're so beautiful, mommy.
Edith, your clothes that see this and other.
May dalaga na ako, guys. Yung edad ko pala, guys, nung nanganak ako ni Katyusha is 22 years old. Sobrang bata. Malaki na si Katyusha talaga. Tanti Tuma lagi. Our driver is here.
Hello.
Hello. You stay there. Sa pag-usa ka buok alumpo guys. Excited din yung mga bata. Kalariya? What na?
Don't take your shoes off.
Why?
Leave the shoes because I don't want to go. Leave the shoes.
No, ma'am. Already prepared.
Okay.
Salud. Sarona.
Yan yung BFF ni Edie, guys. Pumunta lang kami dito, guys, para magpa-aircon. O nga pala, guys, si Toma, she's 2 years already here, no?
I don't know, maybe
2 years?
Maybe yes.
Oh, 2 years na siya dito, guys. Hindi po siya Romanian, isa po siyang Lituanian, Smila?
Yes, Victoria.
So, yung hobby niya is Romanian. Sa England talaga sila nag-stay before. Dito ate. Yeah, linis. White onions, guys, oh. First time ko makakita nito. Onion white.
Hi guys, how you been? Are you alright?
How many years you stay here in Romania?
2 years.
2 years, no? And before you stay in England?
Yeah, before I was in England.
Yes, England.
When I was in England, I didn't know the language. I learned over there. And they asked, what is your name? And I'm like, what? And I know one person who said, my name is Teibu.
Machina? Machina?
That's the funniest thing ever I heard. You know, my husband, when he go in England, he didn't know how to say rabbit. He go in the shop and he says, do you know Bugs Bunny? Yes. Do you have Bugs Bunny? My parents is between the harvest inside there, between the grass.
Very little.
Not growing anymore.
Hindi daw siya nagtanim ng corn, guys, pero kusang tumubo. Tingnan nyo. Ada, di ba, guys?
You know, when the grass, when you have a grass, they're growing more better because they don't dry.
Daming bunga ng ano, guys, oh. Sili niya, guys. Look at that. Espada.
It's not too spicy. It's middle spicy.
Middle spicy.
Even this one, so they are not spicy at all. I took 3 times by now off, and they're still growing.
Oh, wow. Why you don't take that na? Cook na.
I wait a bit, couple days more.
Sobrang laki yung talong na dito, guys. Oh my goodness.
I done for the winter already. Carrots are done for the winter. Tomatoes is very bad this year.
No.
It's like they have some.
It's the same also there.
You have the same.
Da.
I don't understand why.
It's not good. Maybe it's because of weather. So ayan, guys, pasok kami sa loob kasi start na yung ulan. Hide. Yan, guys, nag-enjoy sila sa toys. Sobrang init sa taas, ay. Grabe. Meron kami mask dito, guys. Suotin niya, takutin yung mga bata. Wait. Tatya! Gutir ka! Tatya kulo. Ay. Asha. Nasyak siya, guys.
Red. Yeah.
God. Did you saw Alexander? She was like...
Tingnan nyo, guys, mayuyo sila. Puede salar rin. Libreng pizza, guys.
Little maid.
It's good.
Big and stuff. But in little go, you have...
Ganda ng rainbow, guys. Eh, di mo dyan ko rainbow kami. Rainbow!
She's like rainbow gas. Rainbow gas. Rainbow gas.
Ganda.
Rainbow gas.
Yay! So, ayan, guys. Dahil nangundang ng uwan. So, punta daw kami ngayon sa kanyang plums. Yes. Ayaw niya kumain ng prutas, guys. Ako'y kakain. Tikman natin yung prutas. So, ayan, guys, yung plums. Yummy.
No.
See? You have a lot of fruits here, but you don't eat. Yummy, guys. Because our plums there in house is not good. It's not sweet. But I think I eat that worm. But they say, when you eat that worm, it will be more beautiful, your voice.
You already have beautiful voice.
Because I ate a lot of worm.
I have a pink already as well.
No.
I don't know the taste of it. I never tried.
You are free here with fruit. Ah!
You go, you beat it.
Lang dyan. Bigyan kami ng kern. 8:30 na dito. So yan guys, prepare na kami para uwi. Para nakaihi si Katyusha, oh. Basta yan guys, sa trampoline guys. In the way. Bye guys!
Bye.